Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but this little guy, camera, if I get more light, flew into my window, and I'm not sure if it's okay or not, but I'm just gonna watch him and see if he flies off. It's got a yellow back, and it's waiting to see if he'll fly. So it looks like he's alright. I think it just knocked him out. He's standing up on his own. If I can get him to fly. Come on, little guy. Put my hands on my finger. Oh, he's waking up. You're new to flying, aren't you? Chickens, yeah, they'll freak out. Maybe he's just not ready to fly, I don't know. Hit the window awful hard there, guy. Looks like you're okay. Being so freaking little. Are you a woodpecker? Got a funny looking beak. Well, we'll see what happens to him. I was hoping he'd try flying. Come on. I don't know. I'll tell you what happens. Bye.